Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this episode, we're diving into the essential summer skincare tips for women over 40. We'll be touching on some crucial themes like hydration, radiance, and protection to keep your skin glowing and healthy all season long. Now, let's talk about hydration, your skin's summer lifeline. Hydration is especially important for mature skin, as it tends to lose moisture faster. When your skin is well hydrated, it looks more youthful, plump, and radiant. So how can you keep your skin hydrated during these hot summer months? Let's go over some practical tips. First off, hydrosols are fantastic. They're gentle, water-based solutions made from plant materials, providing a refreshing burst of hydration. You can spritz them on your face throughout the day for an instant cool down. Next, consider using lighter moisturizers if you're finding your usual ones too heavy for summer. Look for formulations that are specifically designed to be lightweight yet hydrating. Herbal infusions can also do wonders. Drinking herbal teas or using them as face compresses can give your skin an extra hydration boost from the inside out. And here's a fun DIY facial mist recipe you can try at home. Combine 1 part aloe vera juice with 1 part rose water and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Pour it into a spray bottle and you've got yourself a cooling, hydrating mist. Just shake it well before each use and store it in the fridge for an extra refreshing spritz. Coming up next, we'll discuss how to protect your skin from the sun without compromising on other skincare needs. Stay tuned. Now, let's move on to the concept of radiance through nourishment. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling vibrant and healthy from within. Radiance rituals can play a significant role in achieving that natural glow we all yearn for. I'll share some of my favorite radiance rituals to keep your skin glowing and fresh. First up is gentle exfoliation. Regular gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, making room for the fresh new skin underneath. This not only brightens your complexion, but also helps your skin absorb skincare products more effectively. Aim to exfoliate once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Next is the magic of facial oils. High-quality facial oils can do wonders for your skin, providing deep nourishment and enhancing your natural radiance. Look for oils rich in vitamins and antioxidants, like rosehip oil or argan oil, and massage them into your skin using gentle upward strokes. Lastly, let's talk about brightening. Ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and licorice root can help even out your skin tone and give you that extra glow. Incorporating a serum with these ingredients into your daily routine can significantly boost your skin's radiance. And I have a special DIY radiance blend recipe for you. Take a small amber bottle and combine 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 10 drops of rosehip oil, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, and 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. Mix thoroughly and apply a few drops to your face each night. This blend nourishes your skin and enhances its natural glow while you sleep. Up next, we'll delve into some effective ways to protect your skin from the sun's harsh rays. Stay with us. Now let's move on to one of the most important aspects of summer skincare, protection. As we age, our skin becomes more susceptible to sun damage, making sun protection absolutely crucial. So let's talk about how to prevent, soothe, and restore your skin. First and foremost, mineral sunscreen is your best friend. Unlike chemical sunscreens, mineral options like those containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide create a physical barrier on the skin, reflecting harmful UV rays. It's more gentle on mature skin and provides immediate protection. Make sure to choose a broad-spectrum formula to guard against both UVA and UVB rays. Besides sunscreen, be mindful of how you cover your skin. Wear wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and lightweight, long-sleeved clothing to offer additional protection. These simple practices can make a big difference in keeping your skin safe from the sun's harsh rays. Now, even with the best protection, some sun exposure is inevitable. That's why soothing treatments are essential. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic option. It's cooling, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory. Another soothing ingredient to consider is chamomile, which can be applied as a compress using chamomile tea bags. Applying these treatments can help calm any redness or irritation you might experience after a day under the sun. Let's not forget your evening after sun ritual to restore your skin overnight. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove sunscreen and any impurities. Follow with a nourishing serum containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides to replenish your skin's moisture barrier. Complete your routine with a rich moisturizer or overnight mask to lock in hydration and support your skin's repair process. By following these protection tips and incorporating soothing treatments into your routine, you'll keep your skin looking and feeling its best all summer long. And that brings us to the end of this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, and I hope you found these summer skincare tips useful and inspiring. Don't forget to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. If you enjoyed the show, please share it with your friends and leave us a review. Your support means the world to us. For those who want even more content, consider subscribing to our paid newsletter where we dive deeper into holistic wellness topics. As always, remember to let your skin shine with grace and take care of yourself. Until next time, take care and stay radiant.